Hello, trading is closed on June 20th, 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Late Thursday, we said if there was a drop right from the open on Friday, it could be a stilt-like move down. Well, there was no drop from the open, so there wasn't a call based on that. We did have some lower mejt targets which did not print. The higher target is a failed target because it's based on one set of parameters. The lower target is really based on an ultimate signal. These almost always print. They fail maybe once every 2 or 3 years. There's no specific time limit, but usually you don't have to wait long, so I'm still looking for 1952.25. During the day, mejt gave a buy and a sell in close conjunction. This may seem paradoxical to people who aren't familiar with the system. Basically, it means don't look for a good, sustainable move. Look for both higher and lower prices to print, and that's what happened. Let's take a look at some other things. On the 65-minute chart, we have a new DeMark sell signal. This is a combo sell that's in combination or alignment, as he calls it, with sell signals on other charts and other time frames. His indicators indicate overbought markets. They indicate the area of rather than the precise price of a top. We have a possible diamond on stilts. If we drop in a stilt-like move right from here, we'll call it a diamond. Frankly, it's kind of hard to call it a diamond for me at this time, but if it drops, that's what it will look like. We should also point out that the Fed announcement came right over here, and usually the first move after the announcement, here a down move, tells us how prices will ultimately trade. We have a pattern on Friday which tends to close at its high. When it does not close at its high and when it's under these peaks, it tends to lead to lower prices, and usually much lower prices on Monday, unless we promptly take out these highs, ideally by gapping over them. For that reason, I think Monday's open should be critical. If we gap up, we still have the lower targets. But if we go down, and particularly if we go down with a vengeance, it could last a long time, because the DeMark signals and the sentiment indicators are still compatible with a major top and the end of the 5+ year bull market. And that's today's call.